Tired of staring at a blank N8n canvas? Let's supercharge your automation game using N8n templates. First, navigate to the template section within your N8n interface. You'll usually find this in the main menu or on the workflow creation screen. Browse through the available templates. You will find solutions for a wide range of use cases, from simple tasks like sending welcome emails to more complex workflows like syncing data across platforms. Choose a template that aligns with your automation goal. For example, let's select the Send Welcome Email template. Once selected, the template loads into your N8n canvas. You'll see a pre-built workflow with connected nodes, already configured for the basic task. Now, customize the template to fit your specific needs. Click on individual nodes, like the email sending node, to modify the email address, subject line, and body content. Connect the template to your data sources. Drag and drop connections from the template's input nodes to your database, spreadsheet, or other applications. Test your customized workflow to ensure it's functioning correctly. Click the Execute Workflow button and check the results to confirm everything is working as expected. Finally, save your customized template with a new name. This allows you to reuse it later or adapt it for similar automation tasks. Now go build.